Hello and welcome to the Times of India. A 24-year-old man who went for a picnic along with his friends to the Pochera waterfalls in Adilabad district has got washed away in the flood waters. Here's a report.
లేచిండు कंपनी है कि वो
Caught in a flood of water, two friends tried to save each other from getting washed away, but one of them is feared to have met a watery grave in Adilabad district in Telangana. The 24-year-old youth Gonishetty Harish is feared dead after he got washed away at the Pochera waterfalls in both Mandal. However, authorities are yet to trace his body to conclude that he has died. Harish of Karanji village in Jainath Mandal had got married only 9 months ago. His father, who was a cancer patient, passed away recently. Local revenue and police authorities got into the act to trace out Harish on Sunday evening itself, but discontinued their efforts after it got dark. A search was carried out along a 5-kilometer stretch with 20 members involved in the operation, but we have not been able to trace him as yet, both Circle Inspector Sailu told the Times of India. He said rain also was hampering their efforts. We will continue with the search operation on Tuesday also, he said. On July 19th, Harish, along with 3 of his friends, went to the Pochera waterfalls on a picnic in the afternoon. 2 of the friends, Ramesh and Adapu Venkat, came from Maharashtra, while another friend, also named Ramesh, came from Adilabad. The friends stayed back till evening at the waterfalls. As it started to rain heavily, 2 of them, that is Harish and Ramesh, who is from Adilabad, tried to get back to the place where they had parked their vehicles. Keep watching the Times of India. This is Sushil Rao in Hyderabad.